this month, we challenged you. And you came up with some really creative builds I think we'd all like to spend a night or two inside, away from it all. Thanks again to Godzukadad for being our guest horseman. For December, our build theme is Santa Claus. The deadline is a little early, December 23rd, and we have a special treat. None other than Santa! Slow Dog himself will be our guest horseman. Please join us and Santa and customize a car into what you think old St. Nick would drive or fly if he had to, I don't know, deliver all the Christmas presents around the world in a single night, or just what the man drives the other 364 days a year.
Remember, Four Horsemen builds are open to everyone. You don't have to have a social media platform to participate. Just send a high-quality, widescreen glamour shot of your build to fourhorsemendiecast@gmail.com to be included in our recap videos. We need those by the build due date. If you are uploading, be sure to use hashtag #fourhorsemendiecast so we can all find your stuff.
To recognize those talented builders who participate in Four Horsemen builds regularly, we developed the Horseshoe Awards. A horseshoe is earned based on the number of builds someone participates in dating back to January 2023. You get a bronze horseshoe after participating in 6 builds. Silver horseshoes go to those who have completed 12 builds. Gold horseshoes are earned after participating in 24 builds. Platinum horseshoes go to those who have completed 36 builds. And diamond horseshoes are awarded to builders who have participated in 48 Four Horsemen Diecast community builds.
We would love to see your builds in next month's challenge. Check out the schedule for the Four Horsemen at Four Horsemen Diecast on YouTube. Thank you and cheers.